Let's discuss the topic of mobilization of resources for development. Mobilization of resources is the process of assembling and organizing things for ready use of achieving collective goals. Mobilization of resources means the freeing up of locked resources. Every country has economic resources within its territory known as domestic resources. But often they might not be available for collective use. The percent of resources used when compared to potential is often very low. Types of resources in India. Let's discuss the types of resources. First, resources, natural resources. Second is human resources. In natural resources, there is coal, petroleum, natural gas, water, spectrum, etc. And the human resources, the labor force and intellectual capacity of a nation. The proper utilization of these resources lead to generation of economic resources like saving, investment capital and tax etc. Mobilization of resources. India, though a country with sufficient reserves due to policy bottlenecks, is importing coal and iron. This is increasing our country's current account deficit. In fact, as country of 130 crore people, India now is eyeing more on its human resource potential. Mobilization of human resources highlights the need to empower human resources. Weaker sections like women, children, etc. should be brought into mainstream. And there should be right employment opportunity for human resources, and when there is lack of skill, the job demands, there should be skill development programs. India is currently leveraging on its technologists, engineers, doctors and scientists. Now the next topic is domestic resource mobilization. Domestic resource mobilization is the process through which countries raise and spend their own funds to provide for their people. Is a long-term path to sustainable development finance. Domestic resource mobilization not only provides governments with the funds needed to alleviate poverty and delights public service, but is also a critical step on the path out of aid dependence. Now you are thinking, how does public sector mobilize domestic resources? So the answer is by taxation and public revenue generation for investment in social services and infrastructure. Now you are also thinking, how does private sector mobilize domestic resources? So the private sector mobilizes the saving of household and firms through financial intermediaries which allocate these resources to investment in productive activities in India.